Hey guys, Mel here, and today I am going to test out an art set that I got. I bought this in November, and I have been waiting to try it out, so we are going to do so now. And so what I bought was the paint set from Moriah Elizabeth, and the art gods really wanted me to try this set, okay? You want to know why the art gods really want me to try out the set? So instead of sending me just one set, they sent me 3. So the art gods really want me to try Moriah Elizabeth's new paint set. I did try to email Teespring back when this happened, because I bought these all during a sale in November. It was, I think, during Black Friday sale. And I tried to email Teespring more than once, but never quite got a reply. But yeah, so that is why the art gods really want me to try this set, because instead of 1 set, they sent me 3. There was must have been a glitch in the system, and the same thing shipped out 3 times. So, here you go, Moriah. I definitely am going to try this out now. Alright, now that I just have the 1 set, we are going to open it, and then we are going to make some art. So first off, it comes in this adorable pouch, and it has Moriah's logo, and it is mainly pink, but also has the rest of the colors of the rainbow all in pastel prints. And when you open it up inside, here's everything you get. You get a whole bunch of brushes. You also get lots of dotting tools in different sizes. And then you get a whole line of pastel colored paint, and each one has one of her characters on it. And so like this one is strawberry, a strawberry pink color, pickled green, Georgie, which is yellow, orange fishy, derp is light blue, because that's what derp is, Bumble Bear, which is a purple, milk chocolate, brown, is waffle cone, it's like an orange / light tannish color, and then also vanilla cake. You get all this stuff, and it comes all in this cute little pouch that rolls back up when you're done. Well, be sure that your paintbrushes are all clean and dry. Same with the dotting tools. And then you can roll it all back up for next time. And it just looks so cute. So let's get swatching and let's get started on this. Here are the colors that come with these sets. Now I will try one of the dotting tools, and each one, I believe, is double-ended. That's trying the dotting tools a bit. And I will say, even though it is still a month out, I have to do one of these because of the colors. I just have to, just know I have to do this. Thinking about the colors and the shape that I'm now drawing, what do you think I am making? Think about what's coming up. Yes, if you guessed an Easter egg, you are correct. I had to make an Easter egg because the colors are just like, you know, being pastel. It just gives me that vibe. And now after that, I tried making an animal character. I basically tried to paint a cat, and oh my gosh, like, it started off okay. Now this cat is supposed to be like an ice cream cat. That's what the brown is. It's supposed to be like chocolate syrup. The cat came out okay at first. Then I went in with the Posca pen and I outlined it, and this cat just, I outlined too much of it, so I ended up not liking it, especially the mouth. The mouth ruined it, so I think I like it before I actually started to go over it with the liner with the Posca pen. So it's not one of my best pieces. It was cuter before, but oh well. It is what it is. Okay, so then I decided to start on another character, and while the layers of this one was drying, I did try to go over the cat and redo its mouth and do some other touch-ups. And then I also outlined my Easter egg. So I do like this new character, which is a bear. I call her Berry Bear. I think she actually kind of goes closer to like a Moriah Elizabeth-esque character. So I went over with that. So we'll try the paints out on this little Easter plaster thing that I have. Yes, I know it's still a little bit too early again, but I figured since I have these out, I figured I would try it on something more crafty rather than paper. I had a lot of fun making this one, just like painting it, because I had gotten this like last year I think and just never got around to painting it, so I figured since I already did the Easter egg, you know, it just made sense to decorate this too, and it gave me, you know, the ability to try out the paints with both like as a craft type of paint and as an art type of paint. I do like them on the crafty side a little bit more. So I finished everything up off camera, but here we go. Here's what I made. This is the little egg, Easter egg in a basket thing that I made. And then we've got the cat that I tried to redeem him a little bit. He's still not perfect, but his mouth is at least better. The cute little Easter egg that I made, the other Easter egg. And then my little berry bear, that's what I'm calling it. So this is everything. So here are my overall thoughts on Moriah Elizabeth's paint set, with everything that I made, because this is my little egg, my little Easter basket, little thing that I made. I got it from Walmart like last year, I think. I think I originally meant to paint this last year, but I just never got around to it, so figured today would be a good day to do it with all the pastel colors that come in this set. So basically, overall, I think the set is really cute. I love how it comes. I love how it arrives. The little pouch is just adorable. Yes, as you can see, I haven't put everything back in because I just finished painting and everything, but it's just so cute. I love the rainbow design on the back. It's just very nice and springy, and I love how the handles of the paintbrushes and the dotting tools also reflect it with that rainbow pastel. Just so very beautiful. And the paint colors themselves also continue that theme, as we can see my little palette with all the colors. The colors blend pretty well. I was able to get that nice little like more lavender purple with mixing the Bumble Bear Purple, the Derp Blue, and the Strawberry Pink. I thought, and so that was a nice color. Then I also mixed a little bit of the Strawberry Pink with the orange, and that created a little bit more of a peachy color, which I also really liked. And so I think the paints themselves, they are a little bit on the thinner, less opaque side, so it can take a few layers to actually like build up opaqueness. I realized like that, especially when I was trying to add the chocolate brown on top of the cat, that it was very hard to get it to like be opaque, and that's like a few layers that I did. So it is a little bit on the thinner side, but there's nothing like hugely wrong with that. It just means that it might take a little bit more, and obviously these aren't like professional paints like you would get with like Winston Newton or Golden or Gumbrosher, any of those companies. These are more, I would say more for like just fun arts and crafty stuff. I mean, I don't even know how light fast they are or anything, but it's a cute set. And overall, I think everything came out nicely. I mean, I hope I redeemed myself with that cat. Obviously, I think I like my Berry Bear more. And that one, I think, is a little bit more in line with the style that Moriah Elizabeth does herself. But, you know, it shows two different styles, and I like drawing in both types of styles too. I just still kind of think that I kind of messed up with the cat a little bit, but I did try to redeem him with his mouth at least. So, yeah. I do like these for crafty items, which is why I wanted to try it on this as well as just using paper in one of my sketchbooks, so that I could try it on like the art side and the crafty side, and I think it works well for both. The dotting tools are a very nice addition, because in a lot of paint sets you don't really get that. And also with the dotting tools, you can also, if you like to paint your nails, you can also use it for that as well. In case you don't have a dotting tool for that, you now have one if you get the set. So you can actually like double duty that. So that's, you know, a fun thing. And so yeah, overall I love the colors. They are perfect for spring, just like they definitely give me that spring and Easter vibe. As you can tell that it's February and I already started on a couple of, you know, Easter designs. So it totally gives me that vibe. It's perfect complement to if you have paint sets that are like the normal primary colors or darker colors. It definitely like complements that well. And I love that everything just fits nice and neat back in this pouch, and then you can roll it back up, so you can also take it on the go. It's very easy to do that. All you would need is to make sure you have something to use as a palette and something to use as a cup with some water, but basically you can take, you know, this on the go, which is nice. And you can also, if you don't want to take these exact colors, you can also swap them out for other tubes of paint you might have to take on the go. But overall, I think it's a very cute set. I do think it's worth the price, and if you get it, have fun with it. Thank you for watching. As always, please like and subscribe and comment as well, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Today I am going to test out an art